So as you know, wintertime freezing is usually on the top of the ground, and here in Missouri it can go down around 2 foot at a maximum depth, but you're still going to get water in your basement in January, February, because below that 2 foot is a bunch of freeze and thaw, and water is going to go straight down to the bottom of the drain tile. So you need to have your sump pump functioning all year round, whether summertime, springtime rains, summertime, even January and February, when you get thawing of the snow.